Okay, leaving Houston on my way to Dallas approximately 2 days ago. My check engine light started flashing, and instinctual, I immediately knew that my truck was missing. Of course, I couldn't feel it at 80, 90 miles an hour, but I pulled over and let the truck idle, and of course it was missing. You could feel it, and I knew that it was either a coil pack, wire, plug, or the injector. At first I knew it was a coil pack, so I was like, alright, yeah, I need another coil pack. Got a coil pack, slapped it on, no change. Wire, replaced the wire. As you see, that's a vinyl wire. I have a whole set, but I had a code for cylinder 7, so I focused on cylinder 7 only. So what I did was I swapped the plug. I swapped the wire at first, but the wires was so clamped on tight to where I just kept breaking them. So I just ordered some more off Amazon Prime. I'll put them on, of course, no change. So now we going to the fuel injector, which I was hoping against, but it's still not all that bad, you know. I think the coil pack on Amazon was like approximately $30. The wires, a full set of 8, maybe $45. The fuel injector was $20. So, you know, all in all, approximately $100 just to diagnose one issue, which if you would have went to AutoZone, it would have been like $100 for just the coil pack itself and another $100, so on and so forth, for the rest of the shit. Anyway, simple injector removal. On these trucks, this is a 2007 Chevy Tahoe, and the same process applies from a 2007 to a 2012, and that's from Avalanche, Tahoe, Suburban, any one that has a 6.0 or 5.3 in it. Basically all the same. On here, you have 2 8s holding the rail on. 8 millimeters. So right behind the alternator. I just removed that 10 millimeter bolt that was holding this wire harness down. And I'm on the driver's side rear, number 7. I'm focusing on cylinder 7, but of course if you remove the rail, you're removing all injectors on one bank, and this is bank 1. Alright, like I was saying, there's an 8 millimeter right here in the front, right by the first injector. This video is going to be terrible, but if you are mechanically inclined, it shouldn't be that bad for you. Right? Have no light, but there's an 8 down here. It's right here. There's an 8 down here, right by the purge valve. And as you get closer to the firewall, there's an 8 right here. There's only 2 8s. Millimeter bolts holding the fuel rail on. I know this video is crappy, man. I know if I would have saw it, I'd have been like, man, that's some bullshit, man. Don't leave no bad comments. Don't let's dislike the video. Let me get a better angle on it so you can see how would you attack the beast. Of course, I'm approaching from the driver's side. Bank 1. 8 millimeter bolt here, 8 millimeter bolt there. It's only 2. Real simple. You have to get on top, look down. Get on top and look down. It's 2 holding the rail on. So follow the rail, lead you to the boat. Remove remove the bolts, snatch it out. I'll be back.